What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Soundcore Space One headphones. Now, before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Let's get into it. To get your Space One headphones into pairing mode, you're going to find the power button right here, and you're going to press and hold until the blue light down here next to the power button begins blinking blue. And as you can see, once it begins blinking blue, you can take your finger off the power button and then head over to the settings menu on your device so you can pair it and get to listening to some great music. So this was my video on how to get your Soundcore Space One headphones into pairing mode so you can pair it with your device. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.